Hello guys, welcome back to another video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Spotify application on your phone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get back into the video. So, to sign up for your Spotify account, firstly open your Gmail application. Type in Spotify sign up and make a search. Click on the sign up link appeared on the page. It will take you to the sign up page of Spotify. Enter your email address, create a password for your account, and then type in your profile name. Enter your date of birth and select your gender, then click on sign up. It will ask you to download your Spotify application. Download the application and log in with your sign up details. Choose 3 or more artists you like and tap on Done. This is how you can sign up for your Spotify account in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.